Hey everybody, it's Adam and Scott with the Knowles Woolsey team at Remax Hallmark J, and welcome to our newest listing. Now let's not let the park-like setting confuse you here, guys. We are right in the heart of downtown Toronto in the Bay Street corridor. Now this one's all about location. We got phenomenal transit access. We got U of T just around the corner, and all the amenities we know and love with shopping and dining up at the Bay and Bloor.
That's right, Scott. Not only are we located in the absolute heart of the city, but let's talk a little bit about this building. If you're looking for amenities, this one checks absolutely every single box. Pools, gyms, racquetball, basketball, plus some fantastic guest suites and parking. This one really does have it all. Guys, let's get upstairs and have a look at our newest listing at 1001 Bay Street. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Unit 2014. Come on inside and take a look. If you're looking for the perfect blend of size, location, and finishes, we've certainly got the unit for you. At nearly 1,400 square feet, this place is bigger than most semi-detached homes. It's got a fantastic 2-bed, 2-bath floor plan, as well as tons of recent updates, including floors, kitchens, recessed lighting, as well as crown molding. The beauty of this extra square footage is the versatility that it provides. This area off the back of the living room could easily be your third bedroom or a fantastic home office. Who wouldn't want that view when working from home?
Finally, a condo in downtown Toronto big enough to have a proper master suite. It starts with the floor-to-ceiling windows, tons of natural light, huge walk-in closet, and the ensuite. Let's face it, guys, when it comes to condo living, it's all about the view, and man, do we have a gorgeous one of the city today.
That's right, Scott. When we're talking views, how about unobstructed, west-facing, sunsets, plenty of green space? This one's got them all.
That's right, guys. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.